power in the middle of an awesome trade. It was crazy. Fortunately, I had my battery back up. I had my laptop with full battery. I had my internet, my phone internet, phone hotspot ready. So we managed to get back in, close the trade we were at with barely a few bucks, but then I wasn't willing to leave that, so I jumped in again. 1-2 minutes. It was crazy. Check out what happened. Let me know if this has happened to you. It's been a crazy day. Anyway, check out the video. Let me know what you think. Hello everyone. Welcome to Van Life Day Traders. Ra Saint here with Legacy Futures Trading Group. Today is Wednesday, April 16th, 2025. It's 10:40 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, and we are here trading the Nasdaq Futures June 2025 contract. We have a 15-minute chart and a 60-minute chart, and okay, here's what we have so far. We have a minor entry level here, market bouncing off that minor entry level once, 2, 3 times. Now we have a major entry level way up here, market kind of in a range, huge range of course, but right now I am not liking what I see. We have a 1 hour chart here to the right, and last hour was a big drop. This hour so far it's been all bullish, so really no trend whatsoever. Right now we're not gonna take a trade just to take a trade. This week usually, Holy Week, is usually kind of slow, so we're gonna see if we, you saw yesterday that we had the market ended up just kind of going sideways. So London is what's moving the market, and kind of in the afternoon it's kind of slowing down, so we'll see if we can catch something around here. If not, no harm done, nothing. It's not bad not taking trades, and we're gonna call it a week until next week. Thursday is Holy Friday. Holy Friday market should be closed. So anyway, yeah, a lot of people on vacation, so I usually don't trade this week. Not because it usually is my birthday week, but anyway. So let's wait and see what happens until 11, and we'll make a decision. If we see something, we'll jump in. If not, but I'm not liking what I see. Market hitting level, then going to the next level, and then moving back to level. That's kind of not an ideal situation per my Legacy Futures trading strategy, of course. Some people like trading ranges. I don't enjoy it, even though you can go to 1 minute chart and find setups all over the place, but that's not the purpose of this channel, and that's not the purpose of my strategy, and that's not part of my trading plan. So let's keep looking at what will happen in the next few, and then we'll make a decision and we'll be back. Okay, it's 11:16 in the morning, and as you can see here, okay, We have a resistance zone here. We have support zones here. So what this means that market could be in this range. I mean, really, there's a 50% probability of market pushing to the downside or pushing to the upside or not doing anything. And let me tell you about that. When market has no clear direction, that usually means, this is how I read the market, okay? It's not that, hey, Ra said that when market does this, it's because this. But it's mostly indecision. Buyers, sellers, usually low volume. I don't use volume charts, but usually that's what they mean. People staying on the sidelines where I'm not gonna jump in to see if they go up or to see if they go down. We have entry levels to the upside, we have entry levels to the downside. Leia is hungry again. And really we have support resistance zones to the upside, we have support zones to the downside. So it's really taking a trade in any situation like this would be just a guess. So we are not here to guess, we are here to take some points, and until we have a clear idea of what market intends to do, there is nothing to do here. Nothing to see here. Yep, I'm just gonna keep on doing the stuff what I'm doing here, and from time to time look at the market, see if they took a decision, which they might not. London is already closed, London market, so let's see if we have enough buyers or sellers to move the market. If not, no harm done. And that's one of the most important things to consider into trading. Is the market moving? Is the market stalling? Right now it's stalled, so we're just gonna pause this and wait to see if we can get an opportunity. And let's see. Okay, we're back, 11:43. Market pushed to the upside and bounced right at those resistance zones. So still, even though it was a nice move, it's still waiting for something better. Let's wait. It's 11:43. One more minute for this candle to close. Let's wait for yet another candle and see what's going on. So still waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Well, I think everything is setting up for a sell setup. Market bouncing many times of that minor entry level. Market came up, took these previous highs, and now it's pushing to the downside. We're gonna wait for the next candle as retracement, and then a push to the downside. This could be a great trade if price action follows. That's what we need right now, to see price action following. But it's about 7 minutes from now, so let's wait and keep on waiting and see. Where is my car? Here you are. Okay. Okay, less than 1 minute. Market moving down as expected, hitting that second support zone. Let's wait for the next candle to open. it's kind of crazy that there's so much risk here for 2 contracts, but I'm going with my probability. I mean, today is kind of a, let's wait for the next candle to open. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next candle opening. No. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. 88 would be my entry. Go up. Okay. Go up. 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 I don't think they're gonna do that. Okay, there we go. Selling the opening.
Order filled.
Okay, order filled. We are into contracts at 89.25, and maybe gonna hold this for, let's see. Sorry, I have allergies. There we go. To level, that's 66. We could grab 100 points out of this move. I don't want to get greedy after what happened yesterday. So maybe 50 points out of this move. Let's. Okay, market. That's normal. That's that last level of support zone. That's kind of expected. I'm pretty confident they're gonna at least going to head towards that minor entry level, which is not as valid anymore. But still, I'm gonna pause this and we'll be back. This trade could take maybe 30 minutes. If they continue to the downside, if they push to the upside, it could take more. But probabilities are really high for a big bearish move. And that's exactly what I am waiting for. Market gave 25 points, which would have been great. Get in, get out, and be done. We have 30 points right there. I mean, you can see how volatile the market is. And this zone is not valid anymore. These zones are not as valid, as strong as they were. So a continuation should be a great trade. You know what? I'm gonna. We're still in that inside that range. Sorry, weird range from between minor and major entry level. I wouldn't like nothing, 0% of market trying to push to the upside. But given that this last candle, huge candle, we have 52 to 80, more than 60 point candle. There's no reason why they shouldn't keep on pushing to the downside, but still there is a support zone which they should continue breaking, and I think they will. Sorry. Remember, this is just how I see the market, not financial advice. And it's a big risk, huge risk here, but it's a really low probability. market continuing to that upside. So we're just gonna wait and come back when market is, when I have over 50, maybe 60 points around there. That shouldn't be a problem at all with this, all this volatility. So we'll be back. Okay, here they are pushing. I'm gonna get 75 points out of this move. I think that's a awesome trade. Come on. Really windy out here. Come on, they broke that support zone. Stop loss, I wouldn't lose any point whatsoever if market comes back up. Okay, no reason to do that. Come on. Every time I'm gonna close the trade, they say like, no, we don't want to give you those points. So I can just wait. Come on, there they go. Keep on pushing. Yes, you know. I mean, we're into this trade, what, less than 10 minutes. And I have around 50 points. I think that's a great day. You see, Reed hitting it out again. I'm gonna hold this because I'm not gonna trade tomorrow nor Friday. So let's just wait, and market should reach that minor entry level. So remember, this is not financial advice. Let me see. Yeah, we'll wait. I'm not gonna like this, but we will wait. Now you can see all the realms and spectrums of trading psychology, greed, fear. We don't have all of this in this video. Oh gee. Okay, yeah, now they might go up and then continue to the downside. That's part of trading. Market goes up, market goes down. Yet again, I'm trying to be a hero here. Not following my trading plan and my trading goals, which should have been done a long time ago. Well, a long time in minutes, but yeah, let's just wait. Okay, now this candle is gonna be important, and the next one is gonna be more important yet. It is gonna be a pivot, and market is gonna do a retracement before doing anything else, or is market gonna keep on pushing to the downside? We don't know. What I know is that I'm going to get some points out of this move, or stop loss should be above this pivot, which is about 7 points. I shouldn't lose anything on this trade. But still, price action is not following. I didn't like what happened here in the previous candle. Market bouncing off that support zone. Next candle is gonna be the important one, and like I mentioned, a really bad execution. I have a trading plan and I have a trading goal, and I have overlooked that. Let's see if we can grab some points out of this move. And I don't, let me see, let me think about it. They should keep on pushing to the downside. They're having some trouble at that support zone, but that's a smaller support zone. This is the big one. So you know what, let's hold and see. Alright, okay, now I'm they're probably gonna retrace before pushing, and that's okay. I mean, let's just wait. There's still 8.5 minutes into this candle, and the next one should keep on pushing. Okay, that looks awesome. I follow my trades per price action. Okay, the zones are the zones, the entry levels are the levels, and there is no reason whatsoever that market shouldn't keep on pushing towards that minor entry level, which is not. Let's just wait and see. Okay, it looks beautiful. It looks per price action, it looks fine. We have a few minutes left here, so I'm just gonna pause this and just come back when I'm ready to close the trade. I hope you're enjoying this and learning with what we are doing here. Yeah, it looks fine. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, now we are here in a little mess, not a big mess. Okay, we have that trend line. The thing is, it's a really weak trend line. Market should break that trend line in this next candle, and if they do that, it's gonna be a great trade. If they don't, then I'm gonna have some trouble, because the market could go way up before pushing to the downside, which is highly probable that they are going to. Okay, it's just a matter of, should I take my few points and run, or should I wait? That's a personal decision, of course. I'm gonna wait, because I'm pretty sure it's highly probable. There they go. 90 something percent probability that they will push to the downside, at least towards and even under that minor entry level. We have a support zone way down here, so there's a huge profit potential here. There might take this high again and then do some more. We're gonna have new resistance zones around here, which is a lot, but anyway, that's the decision that I took. It's my responsibility, and it's just a matter of waiting before they push towards that support zone, minor entry exit level. So we're gonna be here stuck for a while, and that's okay. And here comes the confirmation. A break of that low means what? A free fall towards that minor entry exit level. Okay, I lost internet. Power, so we are just going to close this out here, hopefully with 50 points. Come on. Come on, give me 25 points. Oh, that's not good. Not good, not good, not good. Come on. Not good, not good, not good, not good, not good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to close this trade.
Target filled.
Well, that is not good at all. Market gave. Okay, we still have a few minutes here before I lose power. And what we got? 2 points. Oh gee. Well, market gave 75 points. Let me see if I can grab a little bit more.
Order submitted.
You know what? I'm gonna call it a day.
Order canceled.
Market gave.
Order submitted.
This is just terrible. Terrible, terrible
Order
idea.
filled.
Okay. Give me 50, give me 25 points. Come on. Come on. Okay, 25 points right there. Come on.
Target.
Okay, okay, I'm done. I'm done. I lost power, but I managed to. Let me make this. Well, you can hear the power plants all around. Brr, brr. Let me go to the 1 minute chart. Pop. Okay, 1 minute chart here. I did all the math. Okay, We entered a trade. We entered a trade here. The market gave more than a few points, and it was kind of going up and down, up and down. I lost internet power. I lost power anyway, but I have my battery backup, which is almost done. I have my laptop full battery, and I have my emergency internet on my phone, so I could reset everything. Market gave more than a few points here, and it bounced right back. I closed the trade only with a point, 1.25 point. That was hugely disappointing, and then market started pushing to the downside. So I did what I shouldn't have done. Okay, always be very conscious of things that could happen. I lost power, I lost internet, I lost everything, and I was in the middle of a trade. So luckily I had my emergency things set up, my phone, my laptop, my battery backup. So I jumped in really quickly, and 2 minutes later, fortunately, thank you Lord, we could grab 18.25 points for 36 point total, and well, we ended up the day with some really nice profits, but it was super scary, super hectic here. I tried to keep calm at all times because these things happen. This is not the first time, and this is not gonna be the last one. Be ready. Have your batteries ready. Have your alternate internet, emergency internet ready, because these things will happen. Luckily, unfortunately, market didn't push to the upside. Still, I was okay because I understood that market is going to keep pushing to the downside. But yeah, it was crazy. And not trading until Monday, so I'm done. I'm gonna go and take a walk, a relaxing walk. We're probably gonna go to the beach now. But yeah, funny thing that I'm trying to teach you guys all the stuff that how trading is about. And today, boom, out of it's not the worst day to lose power. Especially in Puerto Rico, we lose power a lot. But we ended up with a nice profit, and we survived to trade another day. I hope you're having an awesome week, and let's have an awesome long weekend. It's a Holy Friday, and yeah, all I can say is God bless you all. God bless us all. And I hope you're enjoying these videos. Let me know in the comments. Has this ever happened to you? Share, subscribe. Want to learn my trading strategy? You want to join our trading group? Questions, comments, complaints, jokes, you know what to do. I am so brain tired right now. I need a break. Let me know. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group, Van Life Day Traders, you all have a great one. Ka-ching!